Jakarta. So now I'm here in the bus station in which bus will leave at 9. So tamang-tama lang. So hoping na makarating tayo sa desired time na 10 or to 10:30. So watch out, makakarating kaya tayo. Ito yung bus. So continue watching. Welcome to Mira's Vibes once again. So today's video, ito yung start ng ating adventure for this time kasi naman mag 3 years na tayong walang pahinga. So I decided na mag-restore ng energy to fight against all the things that, you know, will happen, problems and all, kasi pag hindi natin i-restart yung sarili natin, wala na tayong energy. So anyway, nandito tayo sa metro station. Ika-catch natin yung unang biyahe ng metro. Pag Sunday kasi hindi ko na-anticipate na 8 o'clock na siya magbubukas. So I need to be in the airport at 10. So hoping everything will be fine. So, yeah. So, ika-catch natin yung 8 o'clock papuntang Ibn Battuta Mall, in which doon tayo kukuha ng bus papuntang airport, sa Abu Dhabi Airport. So, yeah. Be with me in my journey and I will share you what will be the experiences that I will have ahead in the country that I will visit. So yeah, I'm just waiting there na magbubukas yung metro. So yes guys, continue watching. Yes, update. So nandito na tayo sa loob ng train station pero wala pa yung first train kasi time check, it's just 7:57. So yeah, papunta na yun. So from here, Mall of the Emirates, didiretso na tayo sa IBM Battuta kung saan doon tayo makakuha ng bus papuntang airport ng Abu Dhabi. It's express bus going to the airport in Abu Dhabi. So mas easier na siya at mas less hour yung biyahe. So let's see kung kakayanin hanggang 10 na makarating ako doon sana at least 10:30. So update you soon. So yeah, time check, it's 8:05. So sabi is first train is 8 AM pero wala pa rin siya. So at dalawa yung way papunta ng IBM Battuta basically. So there's Expo and there is UAE Exchange line. So yung dapat nating sasakyan is UAE Exchange, hindi yung Expo dahil ibang way siya. So yan ang dapat nating tandaan para hindi na tayo bababa tapos sasakay uli ng train. So dito pa lang yung sasakyan natin na train is UAE Exchange kasi dalawang train pala yung dadaan in 2 ways. So yeah, just like
Your attention please. The train to UAE Exchange will arrive at platform 2.
Coming. So let's go.
القادمة هي Ibn Battuta. The next station is Ibn Battuta.
Train station and Abu Dhabi bus is here only down the bridge. So it's very accessible guys. It's very easy. Ito yung bus papuntang airport. So from Mall of the Emirates na umalis ako at 8:10. Tapos dumating ako sa mismong station ng Ibn Battuta or IBN Battuta at 8:30. So it's like a matter of 20 minutes travel from Mall of the Emirates to IBN Battuta. So now I'm here in the bus station in which bus will leave at 9. So tamang-tama lang. So hoping na makarating tayo sa desired time na 10 to 10:30. So watch out, makakarating kaya tayo. Ito yung bus. So continue watching. So yes, papunta tayo, yan yung bus, papunta tayo dito sa my office or ticketing office para bumili ng ticket. So, sorry. Yeah, bili tayo ng ticket. So, napakalapit lang. Yan yung train station. Then, ito yung bus papuntang airport ng Abu Dhabi. So, napakabilis at dali. So, ito yung ticketing office. Dito tayo bibili ng ticket. Yes, I have the ticket now. So, ticket price is 35 dirham going to Abu Dhabi Airport. So, yeah. Let's check and let's go. Bus is waiting. So, yeah. Tamang-tama lang yung oras. So, let's see kung anong oras tayo darating doon sa airport, guys. Continue watching. Time check. It's already 8:54. Pumunta na yung driver sa upuan niya. So, aalis na kami. So, let's continue watching. Yes guys, so dumating na tayo sa Abu Dhabi Airport exactly at 10:08. So it's like 1 hour travel only guys. So yeah, kakababa ko lang. So yan yung pass and then we will go inside the airport. So yes guys, andito na tayo sa loob ng airport. So hinahanap ko na lang yung aking pangalan nito, number ng flight basically. So yeah. Hi, going to Samarkand? Later? So it's not yet open, I think, the gates, so we will wait somewhere and then yeah. So yes, dito na kami. So wait waiting for, anong oras tayo? Mag 3 o'clock? 2:15. Papasok na kami at yeah, let the adventure begin.